In today's video, I'll show you how to add JazzCash in WooCommerce, giving your customers an easy payment option. Start by going to your WordPress admin dashboard. From the left menu, click Plugins and then Add New. In the search box, type Simpa Wallet. This plugin integrates JazzCash with WooCommerce. Click Install, and once installed, click Activate. Next, go to WooCommerce, then Settings and navigate to Payments. Find Simpa in the list and click to configure it. Enter your merchant ID and payment URL from your JazzCash/Simpa account. Double check these details, then scroll down and click Save Changes. Finally, test your checkout page. JazzCash should now appear as a payment method, ready for customers to use. And that's it. You've successfully added JazzCash to WooCommerce, offering a seamless payment option and improving your store's checkout experience.